It's rough admitting I'm scared, and now that you're on me, I feel it, you're killing me softly. I need it like no one needed Ali. It's all the same.
So if your trunk was acting like this, it's probably time to replace the trunk struts. I have this 2003 E46 ZHP. Most likely these things are original. They look pretty rusted and pretty old. Pretty typical for older cars. This one's 18 years old. Had my M3, which is a 2011. Had to do them on the trunk and the hood as well. It's just one of those things, it wears out. The part's not super expensive. So today we're gonna do that. This is just really annoying, especially in the wintertime when it gets cold. It's even worse. So let's do this today. Really simple. If you don't have this exact car, the process, at least for a BMW, is very simple. You can probably figure it out on your own, even without this video. But I'm gonna do one quick update on this car. I've been driving a lot more, did a nice little fresh detail. So today we're gonna take care of this as well. Part numbers for these are in the description. All right, really simple, guys. You ready? You grab a little pick tool, just like this, or a screwdriver works, but this is a little easier. You kind of, jam it in there. Pull that just a little bit. Should be able to wiggle that off right there. Same thing up here. Just be careful you don't stab yourself or the paint. Give it a, boom. Do a little cleanup action. Keep it nice and fresh. And these are the Stabilis brand. They're not the BMW, but they're pretty much like the OE equivalent. They have a little grease in there, by the way, so you don't need to do anything with grease. And you can literally just pop it on like that. And then this one is exactly the same. There we go. Give it a little wiggle. Make sure these look right. And now, as you guys can see, the trunk springs right open. It'll stay, I guess, if you're there. And then let's try it. Opens by itself. So that's really nice. Goes right into place. These look good, they feel good. Super cheap. We're ready to go. All right, so that's how you do it. Really simple. Even if you're not that hands-on, I feel like you can figure it out. That literally took me 5 minutes and I was filming, so I had to get the good angles for you. Part numbers are in the description. Same process if you do the hood or the trunk, or a bunch of different BMWs have, like I mentioned, almost exactly the same design with that little metal pin in there. So really easy, really simple, and a nice way to make your car a little bit more modernized and working properly. So that's it for you guys. Quick little update, quick little maintenance on the E46. Still running well, and I guess that's it. So see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.